welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. This is Emmanuel Institution, guys. This is Emmanuel Institution. So on this video I will be showing you how I got this buy here. I'll be showing you how I got it. I used technical analysis. I modified it with some SMC rules so it can be more accurate. So first thing, what I do is I identify my zones. As you all know, what are zones? Zones are parts. Zones are parts where the market comes, it reverses, right? So as you can see here, I'm marking my zones. I'm identifying my zones. You want to make sure that you identify your zones, all of your zones. As you can see, I'm identify on a 1 hour, daily time frame. Zones are strong on a higher time frame, guys. Put that in your head. Zones are strong on a higher time frame. So after identifying my zones, I'm gonna go on a, remember, I'm showing you how I got this buy here. Remember, I'm showing you how I got it. So first thing, after I'm done identifying my zones, I'm gonna go and identify my trend. As you can see, the market was on a bearish trend. You have to put this in mind. Trend line are the very important tool on the market. You must put it correctly, or else your setup won't be valid. Price is unlikely to respect it at all. Your trend line must trade your trend line at least three times or more. Less than 3, your trend line is not valid. Price is unlikely to respect it. So let's get back to the video. As you can see here, I identified my trend line. What I did is remember, I have zones to help me. What I did is I went back to the daily time frame. What I saw that market was on a buy zone. The market was on a buy zone, and it has a chance that, like, I don't know how to put this. The market, it's on a, as you can see, the market was bearish. What I saw is this. What I saw is this zone, is this buy zone. I saw this buy zone and I knew that it is valid. As you can see what price did. Let me just identify it so it can be more clear. Price was coming down. It touched this buy zone. It went up, touched this sell zone. It came back, okay, I think this is a fake out. As you can see, let me delete this for you. Okay, this is a fake out. This is a fake out. This is a fake out. This is a fake out, guys. The market was trying to manipulate traders. the market was coming downwards, it broke this zone, it broke this buy zone, it created a fake out. This was manipulating traders. This, we call this a fake out. It was manipulating traders, right? It was trying to take out the buyers. It took out the buyers. Okay, so let's get back into the video. Okay, as I was explaining, right, that the market was coming downwards, and it touched the buy zone. It went up and touched the sell zone. It came down and created a fake out, went back. As you see, it went back and touched the buy zone. So this makes me sure that the market will respect my setup. Okay, let's get back right into it. As you can see that the market here was on a buy zone. As you can see here, as you all know, trends. This is a trend, guys. You all know how the trend works. You all know how the trend works. You all know how the trend works, guys. As you can see, trend is like a pattern. You know what is going to happen. You must trade with the trend, not against the trend. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. You must trade with the trend, not against the trend. As we all know that the market was gonna push upward, but this thing here doesn't assure you that the market is gonna respect your setup. As you can see, I had assurance with this buy zone. Okay, what you're gonna do, I went in the 4-hour time frame. What you want to do is to go on a 1-hour time frame to see that if you missed any points. As I went here, so I saw that the buy is really strong. The price will push upward. As you can see, this created a mini buy zone. So let me show you where I got this buy. So this is where I got this buy. I want to tell you why I let the price. I want to show you why I waited for the price to come back. So this was my stop loss, because let me tell you why. Most of the traders on YouTube don't show, when they are doing a setup, they don't show you how to put your stop loss correctly. Let me explain why I put my stop loss below this zone. Okay, I know that when price breaks this horizontal line, breaks this zone, it will go bearish. As you can see, price here as you can see, this zone is a sell zone. There was no way that price was gonna come back if it broke this zone. It was no way that price was gonna come back. So So you must put your stop loss correctly. You must not lose a lot of money, so let me tell you why I did not place here, and I waited for the market to come this point and reach this my entry point. Let me explain. So as you can see, I knew that price was gonna manipulate. So the scalpers took chance here. The scalpers had a valid chance. As you can see, me, I'm a long-term trader, so price was coming price was coming, like, as you can see, it's going, I don't know how to say this, bullish. It came here and it reversed, went back where it went back to my support zone, my very valid my very I mean buy zone, my very valid buy zone, and then it went up. I'm sorry for the noise, there are kids outside playing soccer. So I waited for a price to come back, as I wanted this to be a perfect entry. I wanted it to be a perfect entry. I didn't want to lose a lot of money. So yeah, that's why I put it. So yeah, guys, please hit that like button and subscribe button. This is my first YouTube video. Please support me, guys, so I can continue doing more videos like this, explaining. And when times goes on, I will start making videos on like weekly breakdowns. Yeah, please